A very good afternoon, guys. This is Rasheed, and today I want to show you something very interesting. I ordered it yesterday and it just came to my house. Before that, I'll give you a little bit briefing that what did I order. This is MXQ Pro, and this is actually an Android TV box. It converts your TV that is just a normal TV to the Android TV. That is a smart TV. So I have a normal 32-inch LED TV over here from Samsung, and I will connect this box and then it will convert it to the Android TV. So it also needs internet, and also I got a really good deal with it. That is, I got a keyboard, that is i8 wireless keyboard. See, it's written over here. It is a backlit keyboard that controls your Android box. It can control anything. It's a small remote control that comes with a USB receiver, and it can be connected to a computer or any console that supports USB host. So let's get to the unboxing of this box and see what's the content. So basically I already unboxed it to check everything was okay in it or not. So we'll unbox it once again. Alright, so here we go. There are basically two boxes in this. One is the main MXQ Pro box, and the another one is the mini wireless keyboard i8. So this one is the latest model. It comes with the backlit functionality. Okay, so first we'll open this keyboard. It comes in the bubble packaging. Just a normal keyboard. Alright, very good rubber buttons and a touchpad. That is it just works like a laptop mouse pad. Okay, it opens from the back, and there is a normal battery that can be charged from here using micro USB cable. Okay, and this is just the battery, and this is the USB receiver that you need to plug in your computer, or in my case MXQ box. Okay, so there is an on off switch over here. It gives the lights over here, and once I connect the receiver, then it will give a solid blue light over here. Whenever I transmit a signal, it will show this light over here. And also this one has the backlit functionality, so you can see RGB colors. Alright, so we'll keep this aside for now and we'll open up this MXQ TV box. Okay, directly the box upside. Very basic, very normal. It's written MXQ Pro 4K. 3 USB connectors, micro SD card, one more USB at the back, and SPDIF, AV, HDMI, and the Cat6 Ethernet and power. So you have the power brick over here. A remote control that comes separately with MXQ Pro, and an HDMI cable. That's very good of them. They also included the HDMI cable with it. So I will just fix all this inside my TV and I'll get back to you. Okay. Alright, so guys, finally managed to set up everything. As you can see, this is the box over here. Okay, and I have made all the connections at the back. This is the connection for the receiver. Hope you can see it. Alright, and this is the HDMI cable which connects to the TV, and then a Cat6 connection, Ethernet, and a power. This device also supports wireless, but as my router is just down here, so I'll connect this to the Cat6 connection. So I'll just keep it at the back like this. Okay, then I'll power it on. As you can see, there is a small blue light coming at the back, and this is how it starts. I've already started it once, and little bit settings I've done in it. I'll show you in a bit. Meanwhile, I'll get the remote, and there is a switch over here. It needs to be on. This blue light is constant, that means it's on. It takes a while to switch on. If you want to turn on the RGB lights on this, you can just press the function and F2 key. It keeps on changing the color by itself. See, it booted up. So now, as you can see, if I move this, the cursor is moving. So I've set up some apps. Just a minute, I'll just close the RGB lights because it's really hard to see. Alright, so I'll show you. So there was some other apps also, like YouTube and all. It was very old, so I just removed it from the settings menu in the apps section. So there is also the option for wireless over here, as you can see this. And I installed some of the apps. All these apps are inside it. You can also browse the web on the Google Chrome and File Explorer. These are the basic apps that I use on my phones also. We'll just start YouTube and try to stream a video. It's really easy to control it. You can simply scroll, everything is very easy.
Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
Hello, I'm Sarah Rifana. Today I'm going to talk.
We'll start one of my old video. Right. You can also do it full screen. You have the option to select the quality over here. So anyways guys, I'll just check more about it. I also want to view the normal channels that are coming on basic TV. So I'll figure it out something and then I'll get back to you. It's a very good device. I really liked it. The quality of this remote is also very good, and the quality of the MXQ Pro is also very good. So it's a big thumbs up for this. Thanks. See you in the next one.